Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into some handy WhatsApp tips and tricks. In this video, I'll show you how to pin, unpin, and label chats on WhatsApp. Let's get started. First things first, let's learn how to pin a chat on WhatsApp. Pinned chats stay at the top of your chat list for easy access. Simply long press on the chat you want to pin, then tap on the pin icon that appears at the top of the screen. And there you go, your chat is now pinned. Now, let's say you want to unpin a chat. No worries, it's just as easy. Just long press on the pinned chat again, and this time tap on the unpin icon. And just like that, it's unpinned. Lastly, let's talk about labeling chats. This feature helps you organize your chats into different categories. But note that the label chats feature is only available on WhatsApp Business at the moment. To label a chat, long press on it, tap on the label icon that appears at the top of the screen. From here, you can choose an existing label or create a new one. It's that simple. And there you have it. Pinning, unpinning, and labeling chats on WhatsApp are great ways to keep your conversations organized and easily accessible. Give these features a try and let us know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.